The Americas, home to millions of species of animal who clash in savage battles of survival. But what happens when the New World's most ruthless killers turn against each other? Animals fight tooth and claw against their own kin to win food, territory, and rights to the bloodline. In the wild badlands of the Americas, there are no rules. This is Animal Fight Club. One of America's most iconic beasts, the grizzly bear. Heavyweight champions of Animal Fight Club. The only thing that scares a grizzly is another grizzly. They can charge at over 30 miles per hour and bite with enough force to crush a bowling ball. Their strength and speed is thanks to a 1,000-pound body packed with muscle, concentrated in their shoulders, hump, and buttocks. One source of their strength is salmon. Grizzlies can eat 40 a day. That's 100,000 calories. Male bears are twice the size of females. But females need to catch more fish to feed their young and keep themselves fighting fit. 40% of bear cubs don't reach adulthood, often falling prey to mountain lions, wolves, or even adult male grizzlies. So females are ferocious when they're protecting their cubs. This mama bear shows her cubs how to fish. They learn by mimicking her. She dives in, but accidentally runs into another bear. In the confusion, a rival female steals her fish. Mama bear is furious and attacks. 3-inch claws are as long as human fingers, twice as long as the claws on her hind paws. Her swipe could shred skin, but thick fur protects the bear's body. The skin around her neck is 20 times thicker than a human's. The rival female has given the fish to her own cubs. Mama won't stand for it. But she's bitten off more than she can chew. She can't win, so backs down. The rival cubs eat their salmon dinner, while Mama Bear returns to her young empty-handed. Luckily, there are plenty more fish in the sea. And many more fights in the Americas.